Something is controlling your sleep that has nothing to do with how tired you are. It is the light around you. And once you understand it, everything changes.
You might think your morning routine is what wakes you up, the blaring alarm on your nightstand or that first pour of coffee. Maybe it's sheer willpower, forcing your eyes open and demanding your body to stop feeling exhausted. But the actual switch that controls when you feel alert and when you feel sleepy is entirely external. It is the physical light environment you inhabit, from the second you wake up until you close your eyes at night. Most of us have no idea this biological circuit even exists. And because of that blind spot, our daily environments are quietly working against our natural ability to rest. Deep inside your eye, hidden among the structures that help you see, is a distinct layer of specialized cells, completely separate from human vision. These cells act as dedicated light sensors, and they never turn off. They are hardwired straight into the part of your brain that manages your circadian rhythm, your internal 24-hour biological clock. This physical circuit translates ambient light into a direct biological command. The specific light you absorb dictates exactly how alert or how exhausted you feel. Think about the physical properties of light from the morning sky. It is exceptionally bright, and it is heavily saturated in the blue spectrum. When the sensors in your eye catch that specific frequency, they fire an immediate, unmistakable signal back to your brain. It is daytime. Your brain reacts instantly to that cue. It immediately shuts off the production of melatonin, the hormone that makes you tired, and it raises your core body temperature to prime you for action. Getting bright light into your eyes within the first 30 to 60 minutes of waking up establishes what scientists call a circadian anchor. Once that anchor is dropped, your brain uses it as a starting point to mathematically calculate the rest of your biological day. It charts exactly when your energy should dip in the afternoon, and exactly when to start releasing evening melatonin. A strong, clear light signal in the morning guarantees a stronger, earlier melatonin release at night. It is the necessary prerequisite for falling asleep quickly, moving cleanly through your sleep cycles, and waking up actually feeling restored. In the natural world, the environment gradually changes as evening approaches. The overall light dims, the blue spectrum fades out entirely, and the ambient colors shift toward warmer tones. Your biology mirrors that environmental shift. As the blue light disappears, your melatonin levels naturally rise, your body temperature begins to fall, and your brain starts preparing to sleep. Modern technology completely breaks this cycle. The screens we stare at every evening, phones, tablets, laptops, and televisions, all emit light heavily concentrated in the blue spectrum, the exact same spectrum as the morning sky. When you scroll through your phone at 10 p.m., you are physically tricking your brain's sensors. You are sending a command that tells your body it is early morning, forcing it to hold back melatonin and stay highly alert. Harvard Medical School data shows evening blue light suppresses melatonin for roughly twice as long as green light, and this intense blue light can push your natural sleep schedule backward by up to 3 full hours. Chronic sleeplessness is rarely a psychological failing. It has nothing to do with a lack of discipline. It is a mechanical light problem. And because your sleep schedule is dictated by external light, your daily light environment is one of the most controllable factors in your entire life. You can fix the broken circuit with 2 targeted adjustments. First, the morning protocol. Step outside within an hour of waking up, even if it is just for 10 minutes, to capture real, natural light. Going outside is essential because indoor lighting is biologically weak. Even a completely overcast sky delivers 10 to 50 times more usable light than a standard indoor lamp. Second, the evening protocol. Start dimming your environment 1 to 2 hours before your target bedtime. Switch overhead lights for warm-toned lamps. If you must use screens, enable night mode or wear blue light filtering glasses. The goal is not perfection. The goal is a consistent pattern, bright in the morning, dim in the evening, that physically reinforces what your body naturally wants to do anyway. Your body already knows how to sleep deeply. It has done this your entire life, precisely calibrated by millions of years of evolution to follow the rising and setting of the sun. Modern life has inverted that ancient rhythm. We replace the bright outdoors with dim indoor offices during the day, and we replace the dark of night with glowing artificial screens at midnight. Restoring the literal light signals of your morning and evening is the simplest, most powerful change you can make to reclaim your rest. If you want to map out how this connects to your own personal schedule, our free Sleep Well calculator is linked below. Your rhythm is waiting, you just have to let the light back in.
Morning light to anchor your day, evening darkness to prepare for rest. Start there, and use the free Sleep Well calculator below to find your ideal timing.